Welcome, this is Ted from AstroAdvisor.com, and this is the gold trading strategy for Friday, January 10th. Friday's key day, there was a lunar eclipse and non-farm payrolls release. On the chart is a 4-minute time frame. You can use a 3, 4, or 5-minute. I recommend for intraday planetary timing. And I have planetary support resistance levels on the chart calculated from Galactic Trader. On your charting software, you can take the planetary support resistance levels in your report and use your drawing tools and put them directly on your chart, and your chart will look very similar to this. So let's review Friday's outlook. I include the weekly levels every day that are included on Monday. We had a big spike higher Tuesday. That was a great setup to short on Wednesday's key day at 1613 planetary resistance. That was actually the trade of the week. Here's a recap of Thursday. Here's Friday's outlook. These are the key levels. If broken, would trigger new buy or sell signals. Here are the support and resistance levels. And here are the planetary times. In Gold's report, I include extended hours to catch the European session, so I include times from 12 a.m. to 4:30, 4:45 Eastern. So you get 16 hours of time, so you never miss a beat. And these times are when the most important best setups usually occur for tops or bottoms or reversals. Now, you can see I highlight the most important times, and these are really the ones that you want to pay the most attention to, because those are when the best setups usually occur. So let's go to the chart. Here's a big spike higher on the non-farm payrolls release, and 829 was listed. The next key time is 909. We got a big turn down again about 10 minutes after the release of the report. The dust settles, gold makes a double bottom, and then begins to turn again up at the 909 planetary time. So that was a good buy signal to go long again. And this move just kept going. We topped out here at 1136, and we get a pullback and another double top here around noon. We got the final move up of that 1123, 1130. That was an important time. And that's when the final move up occurred. And then 1157 is when another high came in, and then we got a minor pullback. 221 is listed as one of the most important times, and notice gold here is consolidating. It's forming a bottoming pattern right at that important time, right at planetary support. There isn't a buy or sell signal yet until we break out of this range, but we're on alert here because something important is about to happen, and we wait for the break of this range to buy or sell. The next time listed is 237, and that's when we get the buy signal, the next bar here at 240 with a stop below. So if you're long at 1560, the stop is 1558, only 2-point risk on this trade. And when using planetary times, I recommend a 3, 4, 5-minute time frame because there's an orb of a few minutes. So either a top or bottom or important reversal, usually within a few minutes of the planetary times. But you have to wait till the next bar or two to paint before buying or selling. And one entry technique is when the high or low of the previous bar is taken out. You can run trend lines or wait for trend line breaks as confirmation of a buy or sell signal. So there's different ways, entry techniques, but there's a time orb of a few minutes. So 237 is when gold began to break out on the next bar here at 240, and it kept going into the close to planetary resistance at 1564. And today was a reversal day, Friday. We had a big down day Wednesday, and it's no surprise it was due to rebound again. So this was gold trading strategy for Friday, January 10th.